about the eraser. This is a very small, tiny baby size kneaded eraser. Most beginners are not quite familiar with this type of eraser. Let's take a look. The kneaded eraser needs to be constantly molded, stretched. Okay, so it depends on what you use it for in your drawing, and then you mold it in different shapes. Okay, for say you want to erase a very tiny space and you want to make it really sharp, a little tippy, and just erase it like that. And if you want to erase a big space and you want to have it a little bigger contact. Let's talk about paper for drawing. I have 3 different types of paper. One is Bristol, and the other one is drawing, and the last one is charcoal. Talk about the difference between them. The Bristol paper is very smooth. It's 100 pounds. Regular drawing papers is 80 pounds, but it has a little texture, much better surface, especially for charcoal drawings. And the last one is charcoal paper. The surface it even have more texture, and it is better to hold on the charcoal powder. For today's demonstrations, I want to use this drawing paper. Let's test first see how the hard HB charcoal pencil. And the medium. And the next one is soft. And the extra soft. Let's touch it. You'll feel different. The softer of the charcoal pencil is easier to spread and blend together. And also you can see the extra soft actually darker and lighter and lighter and lighter. The kneaded erasers work really well for the charcoal. Let's take a look. That's pretty easy to make the area lighter. We can keep stretch it and mold it for different shape. Now over here, I'm gonna take away a big area. In that case, I was just going to keep a little bigger, have a bigger contact, so easier to erase a big areas. So on this one, let's mold it a little smaller contact and mold it. And after a few times, and we can make the area lighter. And on this one, let's make a sharp, a small area. So we're gonna put it in a very small area, like that. So you can control the shape by molding the kneaded eraser. It's easier to do that. Okay. And here's another question that people might ask. What about if I want that particular space to be really light, almost like a no charcoal? Usually after put the charcoal over there, there will be always some charcoal powders already embedded into the paper surface. And doesn't matter how hard you try to get rid of it, and there's still going to be some over there. My suggestions would be, you want to draw around that space. For example, like this.